The primary objective of Voiceless India is to make people realize that animals are not commodities. They're not something to be bought and sold. Voiceless India is an organization that runs towards spreading awareness about animal rights, environmental sustainability, and veganism.
Educating students and young minds on veganism and animal rights is one of our primary initiatives, and we do that through our Voiceless India workshops. After having conducted over 55 workshops at various institutions in Delhi NCR and Bangalore, we have been able to reach out to over 5,500 students with the message of veganism and animal rights. Sterilizing a dog helps to control their population and prevents more dogs from being victims of street accidents and abuse. Voiceless India has conducted 3 sterilization drives with Friendico Sika in Delhi NCR for about 60 dogs, and we strive to organize more.
Hi everyone, so we are here today close to Lal Bagh Westgate, painting a wall very close to the Lal Bagh metro station. This is our second wall painting in Bangalore, in which we are painting 5 different animals across different industries who are exploited for the human greed. Then we have the elephant. So the elephant represents the exploitation of animals in the entertainment industry, and there are approximately 2,500 elephants in India that are currently held in captive and exploited for the human desires. We have the cow here. The cow represents the exploitation of animals in the dairy industry. So when we drink a glass of milk, we usually think that we're not harming any animal. But in that process, a mother, a cow, and the child, the calf, face a lot of abuse that is unnecessary. It is no big news that animals are killed for meat, and that's what we're trying to represent here. That we don't need meat, so why put animals through that suffering and kill them, take their life unnecessarily. The entire drive is to spread compassion for all animals, for all individuals, regardless of what species they belong from.
Both our wall painting drives were conducted in Bangalore at strategically prominent locations to maximize our reach to the public. Voiceless India was at Carrots Restaurant in Bangalore, which is India's first vegan restaurant to spread awareness about animal rights and veganism. Voiceless India's Reflective Collar Drive 2020 was conducted across 38 locations in Bangalore with the help of volunteers residing in those areas.
Now, reflective collars are nothing but regular collars which have a reflective tape on them. So at night, when a car's headlight shines on the dog, the collar glows, which tells the driver to either slow down or change direction.
Sponsored by Heads Up for Tails Foundation, we collared over 500 dogs in the city with reflective collars.
I think this is a brilliant drive because it helps these little fellows be seen when they're out in the street in the night.
Very good initiative, because like on the dark and the night, when the traffic or the light, when the car's light falls on the animal, they'll be able to recognize the animal is passing, right? So this drive will help actually animals to stay secure and safe from all the accidents.
जानवरों को डॉग्स को कलर्स पहना रहे हैं तो एंड दे आर लुकिंग गुड आल्सो it gives them an impression that the dogs are having some caretaker or somebody who's taking care of them, and they are community dogs. They are not simply wild dogs or stray dogs.
Because of that, I think these collars will be super useful, and I hope they keep these doggos happy and alive.
Hello Bangalore, you're listening to Radioactive CR 90.4, Bangalore's first community radio station. What do you think are the first steps that any animal rescuer or any person who finds an animal in distress or injured on the road?
If it is an accident that has happened in the middle of the road, get the animal off the road, because and then call all the emergency services. Try to keep it in your phone so that you have all the numbers.
How do these animal products actually impact the body, and what is the harm that they're causing to us?
the most obvious one, human body is not designed to digest lactose.
Right.
About 98% of us are lactose intolerant in some or the other way. We don't know it. And to maximize the profits, the animals are injected with a lot of growth hormones, estrogen, and oxytocin. All of these hormones are injected into the animal to increase the production of milk.
Right.
Went vegan for ethical reasons because of my love for animals, all animals. But what I also found out about was the health benefits of cutting dairy.
You guys are doing the right most thing and what nature is demanding these days. My best wishes for all of you. Keep inspiring the youth of this world.
We also initiated an advertisement campaign to make people aware of the horrors of the poultry and dairy industries by putting up banners on buses that travel across Delhi NCR, giving the message on their way. Animals have always been treated as second-class citizens and commodities in the market. It's time we change that.
Voiceless India has given me the opportunity to take action in whatever capacity. And from the reflective collar drives to the workshops and the wall paintings and the cleanliness drives that we've done, there are just so many tiny ways in which we can contribute and perhaps make a difference.
And Voiceless India, through its social media and workshops, is doing a great job of creating awareness among them and reducing their influence.
Voiceless India to me means raising my voice for the voiceless that are tortured, tormented, and denied the right to a free life. To me, it means helping them in their fight against mankind and spreading the knowledge of these terrible practices to other people, especially the youth, to ensure we all fight this evil together.
I feel like the events that we've carried out, it's really been very insightful. For instance, the reflective collar drive, where we collared the street dogs in over 38 locations across Bangalore. I think it gave me a chance to give back to society and to see in what way I can really help the animals who don't really have too many people to take care of them.
Voiceless India is an organization that has always provided the youth an opportunity to bring about a change in the society. It deals with the simple message of compassion in a very precise and understanding manner, which sensitizes the people to a great extent. I'm glad that I'm associated with Voiceless India since the very beginning, and I can contribute to it in my own ways.
And my journey so far with them has been amazing. I have learnt a lot and I have continued to grow with them. I wish Voiceless India the very best for the future, and I hope to continue conducting many more workshops with them.
We should understand that every individual, regardless of their species, has the right to live, and we should respect that right to live.